Do you remember we have briefly talked about staying on the legal side, right? But we also want to learn ethical hacking by doing what it takes. We want to practice our skills. For this purpose, we will set up our own victim, Metasploitable, in this stage. So, we have previously downloaded the required files. I have saved them here. Now, what we will do, we will extract this zip file, which is called Metasploitable Linux 2.0, to the same directory here. Although it doesn't matter where we extract it. When you are done, I recommend you to copy this folder or cut that folder to here my VMs, because that's another VM we will use. Metasploitable Linux 2.0. As you open the directory, you will see a bunch of files starting with the VM in the extension, like this. This means our virtual machine has been already created, and all we need to do is to import the file into our environment. And to do that, double-click the file with the VMX extension, this one. Wait until your VMware player pops up. Okay. When it asks you about the original location of the VM, click I copied it. Let's click this one again, remind me later. Remind me later. As you see, this setup is much easier than the previous one. Okay. Metasploitable login. Just type msfadmin, press enter, and the password is msfadmin again. That's it, you're done. Now we are ready to move on to the next installation. Don't forget to suspend the VM again by hitting the pause button here, this one.